Welcome back to your weekly dose of Aviation Unscripted. This passenger was about to board their Airbus A380 when one of the engines caught fire during refueling.
I think that's our plane. Wow, what the hell is that?
The fire was quickly put out and no one was hurt. This Lufthansa A320 experienced an engine failure during takeoff from Frankfurt, but safely returned 17 minutes later. This Emirates A380 demonstrates extreme wing flex while facing heavy turbulence. This Airbus A350 prototype performs an impressive low takeoff at Toulouse, nearing a tailstrike. Watch the rudder and listen to the engines at different power before banking. This United Airlines Boeing 767 to Newark entered the runway too early and had to be pushed back by the jet blast from a British Airways A320. Watch this full-down auto-rotation in a Robinson R44, a precise, expertly flown landing without engine power, touching down on the runway numbers at Clemson.